The 2018 Wildcat 37WB fifth wheel takes luxury camping to a new level. This impressive fifth wheel has a custom-painted front cap that is designed with an optimal turning radius and has a Lippert extended pin box. It runs on 50-amp service, has a detachable power cord, and electric front landing gear and rear stabilizer jacks. The 37WB has ducted 15,000 BTU AC and a 35,000 BTU furnace, and has a ducted and heated underbelly and holding tanks. You'll also find two 11-foot power awnings with LED light strips, exterior speakers, and exterior storage compartments. The open design of the Wildcat 37WB's rear living area sits in two slideouts, featuring a residential hide-a-bed sofa sleeper, a reclining theater sofa, a freestanding dinette with chairs, and tall windows with designer treatments and pleated shades. An entertainment center holds a 50-inch LED TV, a Bluetooth residential soundbar, and a 4600 BTU fireplace with a decorative surround. A kitchen sits in the rear of the 37WB with abundant raised panel cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a residential French door refrigerator, and solid surface countertops. There's also a breakfast bar with two stools. This Wildcat's master bathroom boasts amenities including a vanity sink, a residential foot flush toilet, a mirrored medicine cabinet, and a walk-in shower with glass doors. Your front master bedroom comes standard with a queen-sized bed, a residential bedspread, and a headboard. It's unique with bench seating, an entertainment center with TV prep, and a wardrobe closet. There's also a master closet with mirrored sliding doors and washer and dryer prep within. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to find you the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.